Friday, December the 1st, 5:07 a.m. Two lights in the front, but I use that parking garage because it is daylight in here. Save a little battery.
Good morning! Edie Dixon! Hi! Hello! I'm right here! Come have a conversation! Quit trying to run over cars now! Have a good morning, shit shot! And then brake check that guy! What a fucking douchebag! Honk! Honk! O7D NNC 07 Delta November Charlie red Dodge Ram carrying a piece of shit